Okay. What is that, Jill? What's in the book? The doggies? Who's that?
That doggy.
Yes, a doggy. Okay, turn the page. Okay, let's fix that. Okay, next page. Who's that?
Papa.
Who is it?
Doggy.
Doggy, and who's that? Who's that?
Papa.
Grandpa. See?
Doggy.
Grandpa with the doggy. Sherman? Doggy? Oh, there's more. Go this way. Look. More doggies.
Doggy.
Doggy, that's Buddy. Yep. And Shadow. Yep. You moving the pictures? There you go. Where's Jill?
Yeah.
Where's Mommy?
Mama.
Mama. Where's Daddy?
Daddy.
Daddy, he's at work. And Ryan? Where's Ryan?
Daddy.
Ryan. Hey, what's a dog say? What's an elephant say? What's a cow say? What does a duck say?
Yeah.
Quack. What does a sheep say? Bah.
Doggy.
Doggy. Back to the doggies.
Doggy.
Doggy. And who's that?
Doggy.
And who's with the doggy?
Doggy.
No, just the doggies. Okay.
Doggy.
Jill, can I have a kiss? Mwah.
Doggy.
Yeah. Bye-bye.